Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Tesla Model X. First, for minor glitches or an unresponsive touchscreen, perform a soft reset. Simply press and hold both scroll wheels on your steering wheel simultaneously. Keep holding them until the touchscreen goes black and then restarts. This usually takes about 30 seconds and can fix many common issues quickly. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issue, a power cycle is the next step for deeper software problems. On your touchscreen, go to Safety and Security, then select Power Off. Once the car is completely off, wait for at least 2 minutes before pressing the brake pedal to power it back on. This allows all systems to fully shut down and restart. For more significant issues, or if you're selling your vehicle, you might consider a factory reset. This action will erase all personal data and settings, returning your Model X to its original factory state. You can find this option by navigating to Controls, then Service, and finally selecting Factory Reset. Remember, this process is irreversible, so use it carefully. Sometimes, the issue might be with your key fob rather than the car itself. If your key fob isn't responding, you can try a quick reset. Simply press and hold both the top and bottom buttons on the key fob simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This can often re-establish its connection with your Model X, getting you back on the road smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.